Hey y'all, how's it going? I made a video of replacing these rubber pieces on my brake pedal, and it messed up. Stupid pause button looking like a stop button or something. Anyway, Kuryakyn is terrible with their online labeling of proper parts. So if you are looking at the stupid picture with all the numbers or lack of numbers and identification, this is the number right there. That number is that, the rubber pads. It came with 3M backing, and I don't trust just the 3M backing because all three of my rubber pads fell off with the 3M rubber backing. So I added a little bit of Gorilla Glue to the back of each. That middle one, the bolt underneath that holds the pad onto the lever, was not perfectly even, so it didn't want to stick properly, but I think I got it now, and once it dries, hopefully it should hold. Yeah, it's cheaper than buying a whole brake pedal, and if it's raining or my boots are slick or something, I don't want my foot slipping off the brake. So that's what we've got today. My regular watchers, thanks for watching the Apocalypse Show. Have a great day and a great apocalypse. For you bikers who are just trying to figure out what in the world to do with the Kuryakyn, which one is mine? I would read reviews and especially pictures of those who've done it to make sure you're getting the right part or ordering the right part. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye!